Kill all.
Fuck. Reset stats.
Yeah, I am going to Avant-garde all.
Okay. Let's go. Rush.
Reset stats all. Go, go, go!
Oh shit, B70. How much did you set it
73.
to? Dude!
Of course it's going to be 73, bro.
8v8, no way. Oh, 9v8 actually.
Wait, what's the... Oh, okay.
Let's go left, dude. Alright.
Go left. Okay, sure.
No, let's go right. We're rushing the bridge.
Man, fuck you.
Okay, we're going left. We'll go left. Okay, whatever.
Right, I'm joining.
Whatever, just fight them.
VPNs.
Whatever, just shoot them. Wait,
Okay, where are they right now?
can you even use the VPN? Okay, they're going left.
They're
I
going
am
left?
Yeah, they are going
using
left.
it right
Oh,
now.
yeah,
It's
they're
working,
going
I'm
left.
joining. Wait.
Dude, just stay middle ruin. Great sniping action. Everybody
You can flank from the fucking mid or just go left.
Insane
I don't
player.
get insane playing, yeah.
Insane gameplay.
Yo guys, we are at the wooden bridge.
Anyway. I'll go use another one slowed out.
Question note, where are they?
Oh fucking no, you said
Oh,
they're
I
on
see,
the
I see
left.
one of them. I see one of them left road. I saw this
Okay.
fucking goofy ahead. Dude, he's just chilling inside, bro. He's not even peeking. He's
No, there's a lot of them on that fucking ruin
who's
right there.
lurking?
I
Yo,
only
who's
see one.
lurking?
I only saw one.
I saw like 4 guys. 4
What's the name
of
of their king?
fucking
Oh my god, what's the
I am
username?
bacon.
I am bacon.
Oh,
yeah,
that?
Whoever
Oh.
killed us, man. Whoever
Yo,
killed
there's
us,
some
man,
2
five
guys heading to the
guys,
rocks. I'm gonna handle the rocks.
I handle the rocks. I'm going to
I'll
try,
handle the
I
rock.
like,
Never
I
I'm
mind,
gonna
like
let's
try
it
see
to
on
bait
the rocks.
them.
I like it on
It
the
looks
rocks.
like
I like
me.
it on the rocks.
trying to bait these guys.
Coxler.
Yo,
Coxler.
oh yeah, that's the
One
way.
miss.
There's like what, 3 more? Okay, everyone missed.
There's 2 guys on the rocks now. I'm gonna intercept the other one.
Why do you, dude? Do you have a speech like impediment?
Holy
What?
shit. Oh, there's only 2 guys on the fucking ruins. Push.
Oh,
Over
miss,
over on the
I
left side,
missed.
push.
Yeah, left side push because funny. Dude, do they want us to push or what? Are they like playing a fucking Fanteria on us? Oh,
They're,
we already have
they're
3
playing
kills.
Fanteria.
Okay, we already have 3 kills. Okay, understandable.
Oh, Arwen. That's close.
Oh my god, bro.
Got him.
Oh, let me shoot this guy. Oh.
Nice one.
Yo, there's some 2 guys at the right at our spawn. There's 2 guys right at our spawn. They cross the road.
Wait,
Oh yeah, okay. We're going to circle around. We're going to circle around.
No one on the rocks now.
Yeah, left side is clear.
Right side ain't. One's in the
Oh,
middle
man.
road.
Middle, one
Spawn.
middle. That
Yeah,
was
yeah.
One middle.
2 of them.
Kill him, dude. We can like just go right. At
95.
just cross the bridge. Honestly, I don't really care. Why didn't? Oh, okay, no. Oh.
He's 95.
Two guys in the
is
middle
at
road
that
in
one.
front of
Back,
spawn.
right.
One doesn't have a shot. He missed.
Medic,
Nice
kill
one,
me,
Robert.
medic, kill me, medic. Let's go.
Nice
Go,
kill.
go.
One more guy in front of our spawn. One more guy in front of our spawn.
Dude, already spawn camping.
Stall them. Don't go one on one on them. Don't go one on one. No,
Get
come
the
here, come here,
fuck
come
away
here, come
from
here,
me.
come here.
There's 3 guys on the middle ruin. 3 guys on the middle ruin.
Why can't I shoot?
Or I guess 1 middle ruin and 2 guys on the
I
fucking
missed.
forest.
Wow. Oh, wait, no, just
Oh,
stall him. Don't
wow,
shoot him.
okay,
Don't go one on one. Don't go one on one. Don't go
great
one on one.
action.
It's Flint. He's gonna win. Don't
I
go
died,
one on one.
goddamn.
Just stall him.
Oh, where's the guys on the right side?
Only at near the middle forest.
Got him. Nice.
Like right next to the fucking middle room.
Okay, I'm going to try to go right side then.
Honestly, no. Don't even go right side. It's not even worth it.
Who died?
No, I want to go to the forest, my guy.
Or whatever. Just cross middle bridge, dude. You get there faster.
Hey, you could cross middle bridge right now.
We're clear, right?
Yeah, we are. We have middle room.
Right.
Ralph, why are you standing there? Do not stand there. I'll go back. Bro, you're gonna get shot. Brother.
Monica, you and me are the only dead in fucking AG.
Wait, they're rifles, right? Or no?
They are.
Yeah, they are rifles.
Dude, how are we already this far in the lead?
I don't know.
Wait, who killed I am Bacon? Who killed I am Bacon?
Not me.
Say I.
I am bacon.
I am big.
Dude,
No, let's check right.
I will
Check
pay
right,
you
check right.
15 Robux.
Yeah, I'm going to check right.
Wait, you go first. They're aiming at me. Yeah. Okay, we're good.
We pay you 15 Robux, man. You wanna follow me, bro? You wanna follow me?
Anyone on the right, Newt?
Nah, you ain't got balls. You ain't got balls.
No one at
No,
right.
no,
You ain't got
that's
fucking
someone.
balls to follow me.
Oh, yep.
You ain't got fucking balls to follow me, bro.
He missed though. He's on the tree, right?
Dude, follow
No,
me,
he's
man.
no, he's over there.
Oh,
See
no,
that
he's not.
Dicorn? Yeah, okay, go.
Yeah,
Push
I see
him.
him.
Send him a shot.
Insane player.
What?
Hacker, use
What-
your
what?
HBE.
You can charge him standard.
Middle bridge.
But
Can you
I got
go?
flint though. No,
Apollo,
get the other
Apollo,
one.
come with me, Apollo.
I am.
Oh,
I
yes,
am.
a rifle. Yes, a rifle. Yes, a rifle. I'm running. Oh, he missed.
Oh, that's the king right there. That's the king. That's the king.
Oh,
Reload,
that's the
reload,
king. I'm
standard.
running. No, I don't want to
I'll
get
bait him.
by
I'll
the
bait
king.
him.
No.
Uh-oh.
Baited.
Oh, he doesn't have a shot. I'm reloading. Wait.
Dude,
He's
can anyone
dead.
help
Nice
me
shot.
on the mountain? Can anyone help me on the mountain? Just like
Mountain?
fuck ton of free kills. Yeah, mountain. Oh, Mozza, let's go. Go.
One
Here,
beyond the
Mozza,
hill.
here,
You see
Mozza,
that guy?
Mozza, come here, Mozza, come here, Mozza.
Oh, yeah.
That is bad cover, man. Oh. Nice shot, Mozza. Better love it.
Charge that guy. He doesn't have a shot. Careful.
No, don't charge him. We're gonna why not spawn camping now? So, no, don't charge. Don't charge. Don't charge. It's GV. I want to have a good. I want to have a good terms on them. Don't charge beyond the
Yeah,
hill.
go back to the room.
Oh yeah, they're on the ruins near the spawn.
Yeah. Don't charge beyond the hill. Don't charge beyond the hill. I want to have good terms with GV. They're
Go
actually
back
a good
to the ridge.
regiment.
Go back to the ridge, yeah. Let them push.
I'm gonna try to dislodge them from the ruins.
What are you,
Just-
fucking psychopath? Dislodge?
Yeah, of
Oh, sure.
course.
Now you're fine, Moz.
Rio.
One miss.
Did
Yo,
Mozza
Newt,
die?
one up. Okay, I'm charging with you, Newt. Go.
Are
Go.
you-
One guy have a shot.
Are
One
you
guy have
going
a
to the
shot.
ruins? Are you going to the ruins?
We're charging right now.
Yep,
There's 5
he
of
missed.
us, and then like 6 of them.
Mozza, kill
One,
the guy on
one
the left
missed.
side. Kill the guy on the left side. He's
Uh,
in the forest. In the
blessing.
forest.
Newt,
I'm coming,
wait,
I'm
no.
going downhill. I'm going
Nope,
downhill.
I'm safe. I'm safe.
Oh, Mozza died. Wow, insane.
Oh, I
player,
can't shoot him.
Mozza.
Okay, we can charge them. By the way, they don't have a shot.
Oh, I
Nice one.
missed that.
Oh, that's the one guy.
Oh.
One guy left.
One guy on
Two
the
guy
left.
left.
Okay,
I'll avenge you.
They're retreating. Yeah, they're fucking
Got him.
running. One guy is on the mountain, by the way.
Okay, fall back.
Don't fall back.
Fall back. No.
Like so we don't fucking spawn camp them.
Yeah, fall back. Let me just stay in the tree real quick. Do you hear?
Dude, I just got fucking sniped from the fucking mountain.
Yeah, there's one guy on the mountain, by the way. If I haven't told you yet. Dude, Newt.
Hold up.
I'm in the tree. The green one.
Got him.
Next to the grays.
Sir, the trees
Yo,
look
who's this
all
guy?
the trees look the same, sir.
No. You don't. You
Oh,
the
I
one that-
see you.
Oh, yep. What if I stay here?
One guy going left side.
Dude, why are
95.
Yes.
why don't we pull? Why are we staying in there fucking?
Okay, what if we fall back to our ruin? Yes.
Yeah.
All in favor? Yeah, go, fall back.
Yeah,
After I kill this man, wait. Let me kill this man.
Yeah, take one shot and just fall back.
Dude, I'm just gonna dance in this tree.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay. Go. Let's go.
Make sure of right side by the way. We don't have anybody on the right side.
Fall back
one
to the.
guy is-
Oh yeah,
Fall back to the
there's
ruin.
one guy on the right side. Oh shit.
Left side, on top of the fucking.
Fall back to the ruin. Go.
Yeah, reinforce right side. They're probably going to come there.
They're going.
How the hell is he going 5-0 with a rifle? Damn. Okay.
Dude, yeet. I might just pay you 15 bucks for that.
Oh my god.
Dude, this light material, bro.
Light material, nah.
Okay, just stay within this ruin.
I'm not taking
Yeah.
for oil.
Fuck
Left side
you.
where? Oh, that left side. I don't have a rifle. You shoot him.
Yeah, they're on the right side mountain. Hill, mountain, whatever.
Thought you got him.
Yeah, yes, I'm die.
Someone with a rifle shoot that man on the left. I want him dead. Do you see that? You have a rifle, Yeet. Don't die though.
Ndar.
Oh shit, one guy is pushing. What the fuck?
Watch me get
Guys,
shot
hold
through
on.
a wall. You could actually shoot his arm.
I missed.
Why not?
Fuck
Oh,
me.
that was close. That was close. I saw the bullet.
4 guys, 5
Oh.
guys, left side. Right side, I mean, I don't know. Oh, they're falling back to the mountain.
I'm gonna handle left side. Did he has a wait? He doesn't have a shot, right?
I don't
The guy on the left doesn't have a shot, or he does. Oh, he does. Okay, now he doesn't. Okay, good. Someone
I
shoot
swear,
him. I'm
for
trying
me,
to bait
fucking-
him out of his way. Okay, he can. Oh, nice shot.
Dude, I'm in a tree.
I'm gonna go back. Nice shot. I'm gonna go back.
Just. Oh, you wanna
The guy on the left side is
Let's
clear.
go-
Whoever got him.
Let's go right side.
What the fuck, Monica?
Let's go right side.
Right side is pretty
Why do we
tame
have
for
12?
now.
Wait, why do we have 12?
Because we do have
What
one.
the
What are you talking
fuck?
about?
Why do we have 12? What? Okay.
I'm pushing right side slowly, I guess. Nice one, whoever shot that.
Cash,
guy?
I will give you 15 bucks if you
That missed? Fuck me!
bacon.
Wait, they don't know. They don't know I'm here. What the fuck? Do they know?
Yeah, you send me two screenshots. So go kill the man. Then I'll give you like $15.
Okay, they do know now. Oh, I'm gonna die.
As a... Did I fight
No
for
hit
GG?
tag.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Newt, you want me in GV? Just to make it fair.
Why?
Put me in GV.
Yeah. No, put me in GV.
No.
95.
Kick.
You want me to put...
Standard
Come on.
newbie.
Oh shit, that guy have a shot. Twin, kill that guy on the tree right there. He's 95.
Running away.
Dude, AG rallies 13. This is why you just fucking put a bounty on someone before we start the game.
Hit fucking Robux to get AC to
95
rally.
Sir, yes sir.
Literally fucking work.
Yes sir. Bro, these soldiers have to get paid somehow.
Why do we have GV on our team? Yo, who? Oh, I got that.
That is
Oh,
Oh yeah, team corrupt back.
Okay, sure.
Team corrupt, raider, kill corrupt.
I think we killed him twice, maybe. I don't know. No cam. Mena low camping.
Campers, you want to fall back? So they don't fucking...
Itu di depan ada crash.
oh my god, 23 kill gap.
Itu like kita yang depan.
I mean, it's pretty hard to fucking kill them when they're on the...
Wait, shouldn't we just like retreat again?
Yeah, go. We should fall back to our ruin. Fall back to our ruin. We need them
Yeah.
to be spread out. Even fall back to our ruin. Get behind the bridge.
Get them to
Ruin,
fucking
fall back
push
to our
again. Get them to push
Just let them
again.
push
Get
it.
me.
Yeah.
Yes, let them
Just-
push. Good.
Let's just have a dance battle on the ridge.
No, sir, I'm going to one.
Should we
One.
pull back to
Yeah, fall back to our
Head back
ruin.
to our ruin. Head back to our ruin, and I'm gonna do a funny
in
injustice.
Our ruin?
No, our ruin. The
Oh my
ruin
God.
before the bridge. Before you
Yeah,
cross the
that's so
bridge.
far
That's
away,
our.
man. Should we actually?
Yeah, no, leave. No, let them push.
Okay, whatever. I mean-
Yeah, we
See,
need
they're pushing
them
now.
to
See
push.
that? Yeah, they're pushing now.
Oh, 95 damage. Who could that be? Oh, this guy on the mountain. Okay.
On second thought, no, intercept them on the right forest. Intercept them on the right forest.
I
Moving to the right
told you.
forest.
Intercept
Go back to the
them?
ridge. The ridge. Told you the ridge.
No, they're all heading to the right. Yeah.
Oh, there, I think it's right. Yeah.
I told you guys. Just go to the
Get
ridge.
back to the bridge,
Dude,
cross the bridge again.
listen to the guy, man. Literally just listen to the guy. You will win every battle.
Oh, I just want them to
Listen to the
push.
guy.
Listen to the guy.
Yep, one guy is pushing hard
Dude,
on the
Hardware.
fucking...
he missed.
right side.
Insane player.
Hey, never mind.
Wait, where's the medic again? Oh my god, I'm so far away. I ain't gonna make it.
The medic is far away.
Yeah, I'm still at their ruin, just chilling on top of one of the walls. I'm on the wall.
You got that magic technique. Oh, who
Is
this?
anybody coming for you, Blessing?
No?
Oh, one guy is pushing. Oh shit.
95 damage. Help.
Oh,
Did you get him, Orwin?
Everybody in the
No, you didn't.
Dude, kill me anyway.
95, goddamn.
Go across. Yeah.
Dude, how
I
am I
hit
alive?
95. This is the fucking third time.
Dude, you see me, right? How am I alive?
I don't know. No, nobody cares about you, bro.
Bro.
I missed. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. He's gonna push.
No,
Don't shoot.
no, everyone is
Twin.
afraid.
Not yet. There's like 4 people there.
Medic,
Stall,
I need
stall, stall.
medic.
Where's the
Oh,
medic? Where's
I
our
think we
medic,
shoot that
sir?
guy that's heading straight at us.
He's near me. He's about to
I
heal.
almost have a shot.
Medic! Medic.
Got him.
Medic.
Get him, twin.
Heal me, sir. Sir, heal me, sir.
Pushing left
Nice.
side.
I'm wounded. I'm gravely wounded. I'm about to die.
Oh, I immediately
Easy, man.
died. Goddamn.
Easy. Let me kill this guy. Okay, he died. That's corrupt. Elbow though. Oh yeah, and if
I
you
shall
kill corrupt
avenge
like
you.
3 times, I'll give you 20 bucks.
Shall avenge you, twin. Hold on.
No.
Okay, I avenged you. Okay, I'm
Okay,
gonna go
what
back.
the- okay. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Dude, he's gonna go for team kill.
Oh my god.
Man, I love sending out bounties. Let's harass this guy. Harass this guy. Melee him. Melee him. Harass this guy.
Like 80 damage on corrupt. 80 damage on corrupt.
80 damage. 80 damage.
80 damage. 80
Finish
damage.
him off. Finish him off. Finish him
It's
off.
for morale.
I'm gonna harass this guy.
I'll try and get him again. Hold up, wait.
Harass him. We are harassed.
Never mind. Didn't get him.
That's Flynn. That's Flynn locked
Yeah,
Zane.
Chinese, what are you doing, Chinese?
Okay, okay, go back. Don't tease them.
Oh, one guy's coming to
Oh
you,
my
blessing.
God.
Which guy? I'm not even in the ruin anymore.
I don't know, left side.
Let's hide in a tree. Apollo. Devious.
Wait, how many of them are on the right side?
Everyone. There's no one left.
Damn.
Let's hide in a tree, brother.
Got him.
Sir,
42-14. Wow.
let me have a kill, sir.
Dude.
Wait, what? Oh my God, two.
I'm going 2-2, sir.
Wow.
Corrupt is
Okay.
just gonna leave the game so that no one gets the fucking ball.
Tactical.
Dude,
Tactical,
left
wait.
side. Apollo, left side.
I got bacon. I got bacon.
How many left? How many left? Blessing. Blessing. I mean,
One
Leonard?
guy left side, one guy. Dude, is that Flint? That's
What are you
gotta be
doing,
Flint.
twin? Oh, you're baiting them, nice. Okay, don't push them anymore. Don't push them anymore. They're gonna regroup. Don't push them. Don't push them. Do not push them.
honestly, just hide.
Yeah, just hide in the tree. In the tree. Dude, how do you hide again in the tree? Hold up.
Or you just jump into it.
What the fuck? You do it, honestly.
No, you use that kind of tree right there to hide.
Oh, that tree. Oh.
Dude. Oh my god, that's
What?
so funny. Oh, they fucking.
Oh my
left.
fucking god, blessing!
They're left ruin, dude. They're left ruin. One of them
They're
was
left ruin?
Yeah, only one guy. Dude, I
Left
was hiding
ruin.
in a tree, and Flynn and I said we totally aren't on the mountain, and someone sees my fucking chat bubble, turns around, and I kill him.
No.
That's crazy.
Dude. Wait, you wanna kill the guy on the far left ruin, dude? The bridge one?
I am. Wait, on the far left. What the fuck? How did he get there? What the fuck?
Dude, I was just
Yeah,
sleeping
he
in a tree,
passed.
man. We was
Dude,
Okay, you
where
go
the
get
fuck
him.
did
You
that
go
guy
get him. You go
come
get him.
from?
If you kill him, 15 rounds. 15 rounds. If you go. 15 rounds. Go.
Okay, pistol snipe. Never mind.
Oh, not if I kill him first. I don't have to pay anyone 15 rounds if I kill him.
Done.
Dude, he's not even here.
Can I just go rifle and just bully them from afar?
Dude, we're not bullying them enough. What do you mean by
Oh
that?
my god.
Wasn't that what you- what are you guys-
Wait, what? Yo, why do you have RHA? RRA? In our team?
RHA, what do you mean?
Royal
Look.
Artillery. That's AG, I think. That
Isn't that AG?
Why do we have crystal? What the?
Crystal?
Crystal?
Why do we have crystal? Yeah, good question. Oh, he killed himself. No way.
He killed himself. No way. Dude, no way, bro. He's not letting anyone have the fucking bounty. Okay, I'm in a I fell off the tree. I'm trying to get in the tree. Dude, he literally killed himself. What do you want him to do? Okay, I'm in the tree. Let's go. I'm in a fucking tree. Let me just hide. Oh, well, let me HB someone.
The what?
Aw.
They just go to GV team. I'm gonna do what? Team me and the other team.
Dude, why would
Oh.
we do that? That's literally just insulting as shit, man.
Yeah, I think that's a,
Yeah.
That's really just insulting as shit. Dude, shoot his arm. Someone do it.
who are you talking to?
What if we just give them a ceasefire?
Someone's
This is
reloading in
torture.
a tent, and his arm is popping out. So shoot it. Shoot his arm.
Dude, I'm using a pistol.
I've done that before. You know the tree flip nuke, the HP flip.
Yeah, I'm not user.
Oh my god, you're not the guy.
Vilgard. Is there even a fucking Vilgard Asia?
What if I kill percent Ray and let them push us? What if I do that? No, permission to do that?
To do what?
Kill percent Ray. Wait,
Yo,
no,
guys.
kill
Don't do
percent
that.
Uni. Kill
Mad,
percent
apparently.
Uni. Kill percent Uni, not that.
Kill percent United. We all just die.
Yeah. So we pull back. We're literally just fucking looking at the respawn right now.
I mean, we could just pull back normally,
Okay,
you know?
pull fucking back.
Pull back again, let them push again, and we'll do it again.
Dude, I'ma just kill all, honestly. Like, not kill all, kill percent Uni. When we
Holy
pull.
shit. Motse.
Okay, I'm killing Uni. Everyone just hide. Dude, can we do
What?
that? Tutorial? Please? Nude.
Do you want to?
Yeah, let's do
Say yes in chat if you want to do that.
Yeah.
Crystal, this isn't
If you
mine.
want me
This
to
is
do
someone else.
percent kill
Slow down.
way. If you want me to do percent kill uni, say yes. Percent kill uni.
He's going to kill us all, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hide behind a fucking wall, a tree, whatever. I'm gonna do it.
Wait, I'm standing in front of the ruins, so that
Wait, what?
Okay,
What are
I
we
have
doing?
it typed
What?
out. Say yes. If you want me to press enter. Say yes.
Yes.
okay, do it.
Dude, Leo had a
Okay,
fucking
now we
heart
go
attack.
onto them.
No way.
Okay,
Oh,
now they push.
not worth.
Yeah.
Wait,
Now it's like a fucking red flag. Oh god.
The battle has started.
The battle has started for another time.
We have a bro. We have a
Admin
49.
abuse.
Admin abuse.
The army what? Dude, we got snapped by Thanos.
Rayo. Shut the fuck up, Monica.
Dude, you're also mean, bro. Warm up round.
Bro, nah.
So mean.
Don't do that. What's that?
Team Flint.
You're so mean.
Don't do that.
Just using this uniform.
You're a budget Cossack if you use
Wait,
that
this is
uniform.
Scottish. Damn, this is Scottish. Damn, okay. Get in the main
Don't
one,
do
guys.
that.
Why would we
And
not
who's
do it?
Kieran Mackenzie's? Who the hell is that man?
Okay, did
Says
they
here-
push?
Did
Kevin
do the
Mackenzie's
push? Insane
custom.
They
player.
did. Oh, someone just
got
died.
killed by
Someone
the
just
king.
got fucking
I got
sniped.
killed by the king. Insane.
Got killed by the king.
Dude, that was my first death? No way. No, that was my second.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this loadout.
Wait, that was actually
Oh
my
my God.
first fucking shit. Oh my god.
Okay. They're pushing. The flood is coming.
Dude, I'ma do it again.
Oh my God, they're dying.
I'ma do percent ray again. I'ma do it. Should I do it?
Kill, wait.
But every time we
Last
fucking
kill,
push
last
them to
kill
the
unit.
fucking
Yeah, because they're
spawn.
not pushing!
I mean, yeah,
I
true.
missed.
Go kill
Yeah, they're
yourself.
falling back again to the spawn.
Dude, okay, pull back to the ridge. We'll just commit die. In the
You want to just hide in the fucking middle ruin until they push us?
Dude, let's just swim in the river. You wanna do it?
Holy shit. No, I don't want to ruin my KD.
You don't have a KD, dude. What are you upholding, man?
Cash, what are you doing?
Dude, don't engage. Don't fucking engage.
Dude, Cash is going to the fucking spawn.
Don't engage. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, he died. Goddamn.
Goddamn. Don't
You got killed by corrupt L.
Bozo. Dude, hide in the tree. Let's hide in the tree together.
Hiding where, bro?
The tree, though. Come here, Nuke. Come here. Yeah, that tree in front of you. Left. Yeah, that one.
Dude, I think they already saw me.
Dude, I don't care. Let's see if we get collided.
Well, you died.
I got my corrupt. No.
You got killed by corrupt.
Yeah, I got killed by corrupt. Dude, how is
One left ruin. What?
Okay. I actually gonna. I'm actually.
Wait, on God, left ruin? What the fuck?
Yeah, maybe.
Holy shit, yeah.
Dude, okay, I'm gonna go left ruin so I can kill the man or woman. Yeah. Who the fuck is war crime? Dude, the real war crime just zone.
War crimes. Who's gonna win, war crimes or wrecking balls?
Dude, both of them are literally war crime.
What's up, Crystal?
Team war crime, real quick. Okay, he got it. Easy. Wait, no, did he get?
Wait, Motsa, I'm coming to you. Oh, he's gonna kill himself. Get him.
I'm just
He's
checking
gonna kill
DMs. I'm still alive. Okay.
Dude, stop him from killing himself. Kill him first. Where is he? I have a gun. Insane player. No, that's Flint. Hello. Oh, he's gonna stab me. No.
He's gonna stab you, bro.
Wait, did you give me admin or no?
Bro.
You want
Take
admin?
away.
Sure.
What the-
Admin will become
Kill
when I know
him.
something to Spain.
There we
Kill
go.
him! Dude! Ah, don't kill me. Why are you killing me?
Wait, hold up.
Oh my God, bless.
Dude, you fuck! How the fuck did you die, bro?
Oh, he got the two of you. Nah.
We got railed, bro. We got railed.
He's using HBE.
Nah, ain't no way.
Albert Goldberg. What the fuck?
Dude, isn't he the guy who fucking started and got in?
Oh shit. They have a lot of people now. What the fuck?
Oh my god, they're rallying. Wow. Are they calling RCA? I think they are. Maybe. Probably. Might be.
Okay then.
Dude.
I hope they push now.
Yeah, I sure hope so.
I sure hope so they push.
Clueless face, clueless. Dude, they have
They're
Oh, they're pushing.
pushing?
Oh, sure, let them push. I don't care.
Where are they? Where are they?
628 on Corrupt. Yeah, Yeet. I'm definitely gonna fucking pay you, man. Goddamn. Best performing soldier.
Dude, 9-1?
Yeah.
Real?
Fucking matching standard? Ain't no way. He is matching standards, KD, bro. Dude, can I get a 95, please? I wanna get healed by the medic.
What, you just ask them to hit you in the fucking legs?
Yeah.
Someone's pushing far left side, by the way. How is the right side? Are they pushing?
Dude, they're not even They're not even right side, man. They're like,
God damn.
god damn, looking flyer than the rocket.
Crystal, bait his shot.
1, 2.
There you go.
Bitching on the plane.
Go reload.
There's
King is
one
where?
coming
Yeah, too late for that.
Indian
Yeah,
first
too
way.
late for
Give me a
that,
moment.
Crystal.
Save me! Dude, why did you fucking
He's pushing. Oh, he have a shot. Oh, Crystal!
No, that's another guy, brother. That's another guy.
Yeah, I need help left side.
Dude, Apollo, the medic, help the man, bro. He needs mental support.
I'm sorry, Crystal. I'm having a
And
skill issue moment right now.
Okay.
There's two guys blessing. Blessing, I mean
Hey,
Motsa.
brother.
Alright, we're good. So basically, just be nice to GVS. I'm talking to their king, and they really wanna go poof on meta.
I missed
I
that?
don't want that to happen.
Keep reloading, Motsa. Keep reloading.
Dude, how does the king have the most skills? Dude,
What?
he is made by war.
Kill Flintlock. He have a shot.
Oh wait. Oh, you know, Cash is out fragging me.
King
Hold up,
carry,
wait. I'm gonna
king
push.
Oh, they're pushing left side. All of them. 5 people.
Left.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, they're pushing
Yeah.
left side.
Ralph, oh my god, 0.
It was a 10v13. Yo, they got Albert. Who's what? Yo.
Why? Albert? It's not even good. What do you mean by that?
Oh. Okay.
Shit, I missed. Yep. I think I'm gonna run away, yeah?
No? You
What's up? Be careful.
Also, Discord, I need your medical service.
Glorious unreg.
Ah, I'm medic shot.
What?
What?
Was that Monica?
That was Monica.
I don't know.
Apollo! Behind you, sir! I need medic. Oh,
Where the fuck did I get shot from?
thank
Oh
you
my
so
god.
much.
Medico.
Thank you so much. Oh, that's a guy. Oh, that's a friendly. Awesome.
Who the fuck is
That's
this?
friendly.
Is that you, Ralph? It is.
That's so friendly.
Oh,
I got him. I got Albert.
There's one more guy. I missed. Insane player. Apollo, get him. Or twin right side behind you. Okay, shoot him. There's 2 guys actually. Never mind.
About to die.
No, apparently. Dude, kill him.
Go back. Don't pin them in. Go back.
Dude, I want kills. Oh.
Yo, did they break to the right? Yo, they broke to the right. Yo.
They book to the right? Oh, we don't have
Look,
anybody
look,
on the
look.
right. Not them.
Uh-oh.
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 They broke to the right.
What if we just don't mind them? What are they gonna do? Right.
I mean, I'm going to push them. I'm about to die, maybe.
Dude.
Wait,
no.
where on the right?
The red.
I'm seeing people on the right.
Wait, in our side or their side?
Right
Our
from
side,
our
our right.
side. Yeah, right from our side.
No, like their right side or our right side, bro.
You're
Our.
our right side.
You're
You
right.
literally said that. Are you fucking dumb? Are you
Bro.
stupid? Are you mentally?
No, bro, like across the bridge or before the bridge. That's what I meant, bro.
Our turf or their turf? Okay. Noted. It's
Bro.
their turf. It's their turf.
Yes.
Oh my god, Johannes! Gio!
Johannes, how many kills? Johannes.
He just joined, sir.
He joined.
We won, we win,
We
boys,
won.
we
We win
win.
this. We win this.
Johannes joined, sir.
Johannes joins.
Oh, wait.
80, god fucking damn.
Easy win, bro. Easy win. Johannes joined.
Can I get a kill, please?
Bro, Crystal's going 0-1. Sad. Oh, he
Dude, are
died.
you going 1KD, dude? You're supposed to be an example for the rankers.
Dude, I keep getting 95 and 80.
Dude, skill issue. Just kill them.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. You don't have to be mad about
What are
it,
you
bro.
shit?
What are you
One.
shit at the game, bro? You're shit at the game.
Don't shit.
Post about.
How many times have people killed corrupt now? Like I will pay 20 Bobucks to whoever.
7 times.
Yeah, but okay.
Cash did 2 times.
two times, two
Apollo
times.
2 times.
I will give 20 Robux to whoever killed him the most.
Someone's shooting me. Yeah,
Oh, okay. So yeah.
that's mood right there.
Okay, I might have to. Okay, if
Oh shit, Cash just got fucking killed.
yeah, about that. Get your KD up, man. Not your funny up. Get your KD up.
Crystal,
not your
just
funny
go
up.
charge. Crystal, go charge. You're gonna be our.
Oh, I got corrupt.
Yeah.
I got Albert.
Dude, I HB'd him. L.
Insane player. Is there another guy? There's no one. Okay. Cash, fucking Apollo, and
Yo, someone
Hamza.
team
If you
War
kill- if you-
Crimes
if
to
you kill him one
Raiders.
more
War
time-
crimes, okay, sure.
if you kill him
Team
one more
War.
time,
Raider skill
it's
war.
W4.
No, W4, not WA. W4. W4. There we
Oh,
go.
here written. Yeah.
WD40.
How did I not die when I was AFK?
That was something like
Far right side.
9
One guy is
to
hard
6.
pushing.
Oh my god.
Regio,
Huh?
get in cover. They're on the right side.
Okay,
Saya
they're
nggak mau
pushing.
bakso, nggak
One
mau
died.
bakso,
Nice
nggak
shot.
mau, nggak mau.
Pushing.
Ya, ya deh, assalamualaikum.
3 more kills.
Oh, never mind. I can't shoot him.
I'm about to blow.
I'm about to blow.
Oh,
That
I
guy
killed
just got
Korra.
shot.
Oh, let's go.
Push that guy on the right
Yeah.
side.
No.
Push that guy.
Okay, spawn captain. Cap their spawn.
Don't.
I'm about to blow.
Cap their spawn. One more kill.
I'm running.
One more kill. Yeah.
Oh, I got last
Oh,
kill.
nice.
I got last kill on Flint. Okay, insane player. Easy recruit carry. Easy recruit carry.
GG.
I hate this game.
God, how many did we rally?
They rallied 9. Oh, my
Oh,
God.
we rallied
Asia,
13.
y'all suck.
Real. Okay.
Okay. Line up in front of the
Fuck you. Line up in front of me.
yeah, line up in front of Snoot. I'm gonna ask you guys one by
How
one.
did
many
Flint go
times
for
you
an
killed
8?
The man.
How did what?
How many times you
Flint, go,
killed the
went,
fucking man?
Flint went 4 and 8.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I
It's
killed him
line
like
up.
5
Yes.
times. I literally killed him 5 times. Line up. Yeah, SDS.
Oh, sure. I'll stand. I'll stand in the fucking
That's
podium.
only 2 times though, Cash. Wait, honestly, sure, I'll give you 25. Give me a fucking pass or something, so I can buy it.
Dude, Mozza, stop fucking assaulting Arwen.
How many times did you kill Corrupt? How many times did you kill Corrupt or the King? How many times? 2 on Corrupt, yes? On who? Oh my god. How about you?
Oh my god, I'm about to blow.
How about you, man, Gash? How many times did you kill Corrupt? Two kills on Corrupt? Wait, who's this guy? Erwin. Okay, Bozo. Wait. Fucking Apollo. How many times did you kill Corrupt again? 2. Oh my god, y'all are fucking tied. Oh my god, bozos. Okay,
Yeah, give it to me instead.
No, I'll
no,
pay
rock, paper,
cash.
scissors. No,
I'll
rock,
pay
paper, scissors,
cash.
rock, paper,
I'll pay
scissors,
cash.
rock, paper,
Shut the
scissors,
fuck
rock.
up!
Oh my god.
Dude, you don't have to be mean like that.
Dude, fucking shut up. I'll pay cash. 25.
Okay, get in line so we can take a pic.
Okay.
No, don't do that, don't do that.
Oh. Yeah,
Uh-oh.
I'll pay cash. 25 Robux. Oh, your box is gone.
My box is gone, sir.
His box is gone.
Okay, get in line, get in line, get in line. Use your actual loadout, use your actual loadout, yeah?
Send me a fucking pass for 25%.
I'll take the picture.
Plus
Get
30%
get in
tax.
the fucking line. Get in line.
Dude, can I stand here? I'm nude because I'm top fragger, bro. Insane player.
You're top fragger. You're
Y'all want to
not.
take a pic with GV or nah?
Oh sure, let's like do a salute.
Yeah.
Team already bring on.
Wait, bro. I need to take the picture first,
Okay,
sir.
sure.
Blessing.
Oh yeah, forgot.
Look at the camera, Blessing.
Wait, no, I'm gonna stand on the tent because that's what I do.
Oh my god. Where are you going?
Gio,
Erwin.
stop talking.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Gio, but I'll pay you.
I want to take the picture. Get in line, sir. Help me. I beg of you.
Yo, we're gonna go to their
why did you
Sawi.
do
No,
that?
why you do
pig.
that?
Okay, tell them. Okay, yo, go rally, go. Where we wedge on me, I guess. Go. Oh wait,
Do
no,
not
STS behind me.
wedge. Fucking STS in front of each
STS
other.
behind me. Yeah.
Behind
STS behind me.
you.
Behind me. Newt on my left, bro. Oh my god. On my left. Newt.
That's crazy. Amazing wedge, by the way.
God,
Amazing wedge.
Don't do a wedge. Oh my god. Dude, can we just like
No,
actually?
we're never taking a pic, bro.
Can we do a salute fire?
Oh
Oh my god.
My god. Oh
Okay, sir.
You're not
Like
even
actually,
centered.
Line up, like go right, move right. Actually, oh my god, y'all are fucking dumb.
I got
Shit.
I got joined late. Wow.
Dude, go right. We're doing a salute fire.
Wait, go center to them. We're gonna adjust to
Dude.
them. Go center.
Okay.
Center to them.
make a line like them. Make a line like them, yeah.
Oh my god.
Homie.
Oh, wait for us.
Bozos, we're so bad at making a line.
So bad.
Dude, we're AG, sir. We're good at shooting, not making
Gio,
lines.
get in line, get in line.
The
Gio,
hell?
get in line. Gio and Ralph. I'm gonna just TP you.
It's the
STS, please. My
Anyway,
god,
make
man.
affirmation, bro.
Yeah, sure. Whatever. 19 loadout. Yeah, whatever.
Okay, make ready.
Why do we have a Maghreb on our team?
Why do we have a Maghreb on our team?
That's an Arab. That's an Arab. Alade.
Wait, you're taking the pic, right? Standard?
I'm not taking the pic. No. I want what? No.
What?
That's you.
Wait.
What?
Cinematic free cam stand. You're.
Okay, I'm
take
taking the
Take
pic.
the fucking pic now. Are you lined up? Are you lined up?
Pic.
Are you lined up?
Yes. Go.
Oh, hot. That was hot. That was hot.
Damn. How many minutes did that take?
30.
10 minutes, bro. Tell them to type in chat GG. Type in chat GG. I'm gonna snap you if you didn't type
10
GG,
minutes to fucking make a line. Let's